So chefs, today we are going to start with our beans, and I hope you had a chance to read your instructions and get your beans soaking overnight. It makes a huge difference. I'm actually gonna show you in your kit. You should have found the magic beans, and those are just dry black beans that we're gonna be using. And I just wanna show you what they look like before soaking and what they look like after soaking. So, there you go. Chef Noemi, would you give this a little stir so they set all on the same place?
Yeah.
Just shake it a little bit. Thank you. All right. So those are the dry beans. And these beans have been soaking overnight, and I'm just gonna drain them. So check it out. I'm gonna put these beans here just to show you how much they grow just from soaking. Oh, thank you, chef. Yeah. All right, so you can see they at least doubled in size. So if you have a chance to soak them in advance, it will make a huge difference. Right now, we're gonna just add 3 cups of water and the beans, and those guys are gonna be cooking for the entire time that we're preparing the rest of the recipe. So they'll go on a simmer, and just let's keep an eye on them so the water doesn't dry while we're working on other things. Sounds good? And we're gonna move on to make the masa now.